Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp stickers and create your own stickers for your personal use. So we're going to go for one of the applications right here and download it. I'll link in the description. You will have many similar apps, but we're going to use this one specifically. I've created some of my own stickers. You will have the default stickers and you're able to add more. If you click on the plus icon, if you go to gallery, I'll be selecting some random image. I'll be taking Eminem for now. For example, I'm going to draw. So the draw icon is for the selection. You got to crop everything and you just can take the part which you like. For example, I'm taking some of the idea. I'll show you how it's done. So once I'm done with this, let's just take it to here. So now that I'm done here, it'll be showing some of this. If you can still erase some parts if you don't like it, click on the eraser icon here and you can see I'll be able to erase the parts which I don't really like to be visible. So now check it out, now save, and once you're done you'll be able to see the stickers. These are default random stickers, you don't have to worry about them. So if you click on it, you'll be able to see that the WhatsApp option. So click on it, add, and done. You will now have it in WhatsApp. I'm going to test one of my stickers to me. So example, I'm gonna go and send the new one right here, right? So we have this, see that. So that's how it's done. And actually I could see this thing, this white little thing here is because I didn't crop it, I didn't raise it, so it's actually showing the small spot. I have another one made for this example. Take a look at this. We have a different styles of stickers. View more, and if you're able to view more, if your friends can still go to the application link when they click view more. I'm not able to get it now, but this is how it works, guys. I'll be linking the application link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. I'll be back in the video very soon. Peace out.